Hi guys, how's it going? I don't know what made me think of this today, but I pulled an old memory out of the archive, the 20-year-old memory, because when we were in 7th grade, we had a Japanese exchange teacher come in for a year, and she taught us a bunch of stuff, and she also learned how to teach in Canada. And while she was here, she taught us how to make origami paper cranes. So I will try and show you how to do this. Bear with me, I've tried this video about 3 times so far and keep forgetting steps, so let's hope that this one works. Anyway, so the first thing you're gonna do is, if you have a square piece of paper, just hold off for a second. If you've got a regular piece of loose leaf, you're gonna take this corner, fold it into the edge, and then you'll take your scissors and trim it off so that you have a square piece of paper. I have one already. So what you're gonna do once you have your square is you're gonna take your corners and fold them into each other like this. And then you're gonna open it up and do the same thing on the other side, because that's gonna give us some movement lines so that when we get folding and stuff, things will actually move better. So what we're gonna do, take our piece of paper, we're going to fold it in half. Then we're gonna hold on to this half of it here, and we're gonna take this edge and we're gonna bring it up to this edge here and push it in. So this is what we have. We have a square here in the front, and then we've got this long arm thing in the back. So we're gonna flip it over with the long arm side to you. You're gonna hold in this edge, and you're gonna take this corner and fold it into the bottom as well. So now you've got 2 diamonds, right? Okay, so now what you're gonna do is, you see here your diamond, you're gonna take the side that opens, and make sure that's on the bottom, and you're gonna fold the insides of the paper toward that. You should have like a middle line showing. So it looks like this now. Once you've done this, you are going to flip it and repeat. So we've got our middle lines and our middle line. So we kind of have this little triangle, kind of like a pointy ice cream cone going on. So now the next step is, we are going to open it up. See, we're opening, and we are going to pull this bottom up until we get to about this fold line here. And we are going to push the insides together in the middle. So now we have a tall, skinny diamond. I'm gonna flip it over, take our little ice cream bit here, fold it down for a sec, lift it back up. We're gonna open this up again, if I can get my fingers on it. And we're gonna do like we did on the other side. So essentially, we pull it up and press it down. So now we should have the same thing on both sides, these tall diamonds. And if you notice, we've got some little legs. So we're gonna do another fold. So we're gonna take this outside edge and fold it towards the middle, and then the same thing on this side. So you're gonna repeat that, see, on both sides. So this is what side 1 looks like now. We flip it over, do the same thing on the other side. Alrighty. So now, as you can see, we've got an even tighter diamond and our legs back. So now what we're gonna do is, we're gonna put our finger in between here on the side and put a finger on the bottom, and we are going to work it up, pull it up, and then fold. So once you get it kind of worked up, you're just gonna fold those edges together. It doesn't matter if your tips are perfect, because they probably won't be. Mine never are, and I've made like hundreds of these things. Same thing on the other side. Open it up, push it up, and give it a pinch and a squeeze so it squeezes those edges. So now we've got this. Pick a side, either side, and just give it a little pull and a turn down. We have a head. Then we are going to open up our bird's wings. And give your tail a little pull back if you want to, and a pinch to hold it. Same thing with the head, if you feel like it. And open it up, and you've got your own paper crane. Now I have a pair. So you can go ahead, make some more of your own. If you make them, send me the pictures. I want to see how they turn out. You can make a whole bunch of teeny tiny ones and hang them from a string in your room. You could use them as like a paper airplane if you want. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you guys give it a try and see if you can make it. Have a great day. Bye.